very big and spacious living area that's been provided. That's a nice two-sided kitchenette area, granite platforms, spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Falak and today we are here at Palette by Suraj Estate Developers, which is located in Dadar West. हम करने वाले हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट का सैंपल फ्लैट टूर। प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में तो इन डिटेल्स हम जानेंगे, लेकिन सबसे पहले जानते हैं कि हाउसी क्या है। लेट मी टेल यू दैट हाउसी है इंडिया का फर्स्ट रियल एस्टेट प्लेटफॉर्म जो डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट करता है कस्टमर्स को विद द डेवलपर, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, that means the best rate possible. Unlike other current listing platforms जहां पर अगर आप इंक्वायरी करते हैं तो आपके नंबर ढेर सारे ब्रोकर्स के साथ शेयर हो जाते हैं और उसका रिजल्ट क्या होता है, आपको बहुत सारे कॉल्स आने लगते हैं। लेट मी टेल यू दैट हाउसी एक ऐसा रियल एस्टेट प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां पर लिस्टिंग करते हैं सीधा डेवलपर्स। तो यहाँ वहां जाना छोड़िए, बुक योर ड्रीम होम डायरेक्टली विद द डेवलपर थ्रू हाउसी। Now talking about the project overview. So this project, that is Palette by Suraj, is located in Dadar West and it is by Suraj Estate Developers. And this is right opposite to the Portuguese church. यहाँ से सिद्धिविनायक temple is just 2 minutes walkable. So let me tell you about the project. यहाँ पर आपको मिलने वाले हैं 2 and 3 BHK premium apartments, and this is going to be a ground plus 50 story tower, wherein ground plus 11 to 12 are going to be podium and as well as amenities, and from the 12th floor is going to be your first habitual floor. Now talking about the location and connectivity. So this is Dadar West. यहाँ से जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, सिद्धिविनायक is just 2 minutes walkable, Portuguese church is right opposite to the project. साथ ही साथ दादर रेलवे स्टेशन is just like a 5 minutes drive and 10 minutes walkable. Then when we talk about malls, so Palladium Mall यानी कि Phoenix Mall, Palladium Mall जो है यहाँ से सिर्फ आपको मिलता है 10 मिनट की दूरी पर। साथ ही साथ you can easily connect to the Eastern Express Highway as well as since the location is Dadar like a prime location, तो यहाँ से हर चीज़ आपको काफ़ी easily आप connect कर सकते हो। Whether you talk about healthcare facilities, whether you talk about schools, colleges, malls, everything are at an easy connectivity from this project. When we talk about the amenities, तो आपको मिलती है इस प्रोजेक्ट में 20 plus luxurious amenities, जिसमें आपको मिलता है एक infinity swimming pool, yoga fitness center, gymnasium, as well as kids play area. You get a business lounge, as well as many more wonderful amenities. तो देरी किस बात की, चलते हैं, हम जाते हैं, देखते हैं how is the sample flat, and also इस लोकेशन में दूसरे और प्रोजेक्ट वीडियोस देखने के लिए you can just click on the I button. And now let's go. So right now we are standing outside the 3 BHK sample flat of Suraj the Palette by Suraj Estate Developers, which is located in Dadar West, and this is a 1466 square feet carpet area. So let's go inside and see how the sample flat is. Let's go. So as we enter, there's a nice big passage area that's been given over here, and on our left hand side first is the servant room. A nice servant room has been given over here with an attached washroom as well and a window for your ventilation. And just after this, on our left hand side is the beautiful kitchenette area. Let's go inside and see the kitchenette area. Ample space has been given for a double door refrigerator, a nice two-sided kitchenette area, granite platforms will be provided, stainless steel sink will be provided, as well as here is a dry passage area as well that's been given over here for your washing machine as well as different utilities, and a nice big front sliding window has been provided for your ventilation. So that's really great. And now let's go ahead. So here the open kitchen concept has been given, but obviously you can just customize and design as per your requirements and as per your needs. Now let's go and see the beautifully spacious living area. So this is the very big and spacious living area that's been provided. That's a good dining table for an 8-seater. So that's really great. There also you can see a cross ventilation window has been provided over here as well. So yes, this is very beautifully made. You can also design just like this, and this is the beautiful seating area that's been given over here. Well, if you can see, the main USP of this flat is that, or this project you can say is that the heighted ceiling. Can you see? So in this area you will not get any ceiling of this height, so it's really very great and makes the house look even more spacious. And now let's go and see the balcony that gives a beautiful view. So yes, right now we are on the 12th floor. Imagine if you're on the higher floor, it will give an even more beautiful view. And let's zoom over there. You can see the beautiful ceiling as well as the Arabian Sea right from here. So that's really great. And now let's get ahead and see the remaining part of the home. Let's go. So yes, from this view also you can see the beautiful living room, which is very beautiful, very spacious. I'm already in love with it. Now let's get ahead and see the different bedrooms. Let's go. So first is the common washroom that's been given over here. A nice big spacious washroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings and a window for your ventilation. Now let's go and see bedroom number 1. A nice, beautifully designed, elegant bedroom number 1 that's been given over here. There is a small window there for your cross ventilation, as well as wide front sliding windows here, wherein you can enjoy the beautiful view of the city from here. And now let's get ahead and see the bedroom number 2, which is diagonally opposite. Let's go and see the bedroom number 2. This is the bedroom number 2 that's been given over here. An equally elegant bedroom that's been given over here. Ample space for your bed, ample space for your wardrobe, and as I already told you that the ceiling is really heighted. So yes, a lot of your clothes, your utilities can be stored over here. Wide front sliding windows have been provided. And the bedroom number 2 comes with an attached washroom. Let's go and see the washroom area. Anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings have been provided. And now let's head to the master bedroom, which is bedroom number 3. But before that, do you know what does Housey actually do for you? Well, let me tell you that Housey में आपको मिलती है actual location tour. We also give you the sample flat tour as well. We let you know the pros and cons of every project. We also give you 360 degrees virtual project tour. We also let you know the all-inclusive pricing, inclusive of EMI and down payment details. And if after all of this, अगर आपको ये प्रोजेक्ट पसंद आता है, ये फ्लैट अगर आपको पसंद आता है, तो इन 3 सिंपल क्लिक्स आप कर सकते हैं अपनी फ्री साइट विजिट बुक। तो देरी किस बात की, जल्दी से जाइए अपनी फ्री साइट विजिट बुक कीजिए। एंड नाउ विदाउट एनी डिले लेट्स गो एंड सी हाउ इज द मास्टर बेडरूम. Let's go, which is bedroom number 3. So as we enter over here, there is a passage area that's been given over here. Here is the very big spacious washroom that comes with the master bedroom. This washroom is of a different size in comparison to the other washrooms because it is a master bedroom washroom. Anti-skid tiling, high-end sanitary fittings will be provided. Air conditioner in all the rooms will also be provided. And yes, let's see the beautiful spacious master bedroom. A window has been given for your cross ventilation. Very good space has been given for your wardrobe. And this is the beautiful view and the front sliding windows that have been provided. From here as well, you can see the beautiful Arabian Sea as well as the ceiling. So yes, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Suraj the Palette by Suraj Estate Developers, which is located in Dadar West. How did you like it? Let us know in the comment section. If you want to download the e-brochure of this project, you can just go and click on the link mentioned in the description. As well as if you need details about this project or any other project, you can just go and register yourself on housey.com. Well, also before we go, we would like to ask you कि क्या आपने कभी इस लोकेशन में कोई प्रोजेक्ट खरीदा है? Let us know in the comment section. Your views, your feedback is very important for us and our customers as well. वेल तो मैं मिलूंगी आपसे अगले वीडियो में. Until then, अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक शेयर जरूर करें एंड हमारे चैनल हाउसी को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. चलिए फिर बाय बाय एंड टेक केयर. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of residential project Suraj the Palette, located in Dadar West by Suraj Estate Developers. If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.